Hey, hello, hi friends, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Space for Youth Initiative. And today, in this episode, we are going to talk about banners. So, what are banners? If you may be wondering, then I will remind you about your chart papers. So using your chart papers, you were making banners while in school, in colleges, and also in universities. In school, you were drawing, painting, and pasting news items, and thus you are making banners. Banners are very important tool to tell about a particular theme. It gives an identity and branding. So today we are going to speak about the banner for Space for Youth Initiative, which is a channel on YouTube. What is the banner there? The banner is like the tiles on the floor. You have the square tiles in your floor, and you will have adjacent tiles to that by the next side, to your left, to your right, to the top, and then to the bottom. So in a similar manner, the banner in the YouTube is designed. What you are seeing right now is located in the center of the banner, and this particular tile will be visible on all devices, like say PC, like say tablet, like say notebook or laptop, or even desktop also. So what are the components of this banner here? You can see in the background the Milky Way Galaxy, our solar system, of which Sun is our star. It is one of the stars of this galaxy, Milky Way. And this Milky Way Galaxy contains 100 to 400 billion stars, very similar to that of our Sun. And what is a billion? A billion is 1 into 10 to the power of 9. That means after 1, there would be 9 zeros would be there. So this is the Milky Way, and in this Milky Way, one of the stars of this billions of stars is our Sun and its planets, solar system, of which 8 planets are there. And then you have got the Moon, and then you have got the Mars over here. And to start with again, so this is my channel, Space for Youth Initiative, and a photograph of mine. And these are the social media handles through which I am connected, and we are on planet Earth. So, and this photograph of planet Earth shows the Indian subcontinent and peninsula facing the satellite. You can see the blue oceans, mostly the Indian Ocean. You can see the Arabic Sea and the Bay of Bengal and the vast Indian Ocean over here. And our nearest, our only natural satellite is Moon. And Moon is located at a distance of about close to 4 lakh kilometers. To be precise, about 3.8 lakhs kilometers, which is the mean distance, average distance. Roughly we can say about 4 lakh kilometers. And Moon reflects the total sunlight, and it illuminates our planet in the nights, similar to that of a mirror. Like a mirror reflects a light, same way the surface of the Moon also reflects the sunlight like a giant mirror, and we can see the Moon shining in the sky. And then the nearest planet here is Mars. Mars is the red planet. It is red because there is iron oxides present in the soil of this planet. Hence, it has the reddish color. And Mars is located at a distance of about 65 crore kilometers, and it takes almost to 9+ months to reach Mars from planet Earth. Whereas here it takes about 5 days to 10 days to reach Moon, depending upon the size of the rocket. So this is in a nutshell the theme of this banner planet. And from India, ISRO, we have sent orbiters to Chandrayaan twice and once to Mars. So this particular tile will look like this on your mobile. So this is, you can see the same part of the banner, the center part of the banner is the name of the channel and also the list of the videos which are there. Then the next size of the banner are its two sides here, where you can see that the lift-off photographs of PSLV as well as GSLV Mark II, both from second launch pad. And you can see the kind of flame and smoke that comes out when the rocket fires, and then it lifts off and zooms into the space. And this tile, this extended tile, center tile, plus these two photos, this will be visible on notebook or a PC. It will look like this, and the list of the videos which are there. And on a tablet it looks like this. This is the way it looks, the same banner it looks on a tablet. And then we look at the next set of tiles on the top. So on the top tile we have got a photograph taken of our Earth from a distance of 80,000 kilometers by the Mars orbiter mission on its journey to Mars. So when it was going away from our planet Earth towards Mars and has traveled 80,000 kilometers, the cameras were switched on, and then a photograph, a selfie sort of a thing, Earth selfie sort of a thing was taken. And then in the next three photographs you can see the RLVTD. This is a photograph of reusable launch vehicle, a winged like orbiter which will go into the space. It will lift off from the first launch pad. This is the first launch pad. You can see it inside the mobile service tower. And once the mobile service tower is moved back, you can see the RLVTD standing on the launch pedestal very close to the umbilical tower. And in this photograph you can see the RLVTD taking off to the skies. On to the extreme right, you have got a photograph of the largest rocket ISRO has. It is named GSLV Mark III. However, this was the first photograph of the first experimental flight of this launch vehicle, which was named LVM-3X. And this photograph is shows that its journey from the vehicle assembly building to the launch pad, and then to its left, you can see a photograph, a lift-off photograph of GSLV Mark III D1 vehicle, which is lifting off from the second launch pad. You can see the lightning towers, and you can see the water tower, which is from where the water will be pumped into the bottom of the vehicle. This is done to reduce the noise levels which is generated because of the takeoff. So after we complete the top tile, it is time for us to look at the bottom tile which speaks. So first let us have a look at this tile, the one located onto the far left, wherein it is showing a PSLV XL version of PSLV inside the VAB, which means the Vehicle Assembly Building, and one can see on either sides the platforms, the service platforms, the foldable service platforms, and this can be unfolded, and it can be brought close to the launch vehicle, and work can be done at different heights of the launch vehicle. And this is the mobile launch pedestal, and this rocket will travel on this mobile launch pedestal, and there is a hauler underneath, and it will travel close to 1 kilometer to the launch pad after it is totally assembled. And onto the right, this is a photograph of PSLV on the first launch pad, and one can see the umbilical lines like a baby is connected to the mother's womb through an umbilical cord. In a similar way, this launch vehicle is connected to this UT, umbilical tower, through various umbilicals. On the top one, which is the biggest one, you can see from here, chilled air is pumped inside this payload fairing to keep the satellite in a cool temperature environment. And then you have got variety of umbilicals, some which are carrying gases, some which are for electric connection, some which are carrying fuel, some which are carrying oxidizer for different stages of the vehicle. And coming to the central tile of this row, you have the fantastic night view of the gateway to the spaceport of our country. And you can see the name of the center, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, and it is located in the island Sriharikota, which is in the district of Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Thus, we have seen the various parts of the banner, and now you can see the full banner in its full glory. So this is how this banner is designed and is used for different mobile platforms. The full-size banner is said to be visible for televisions, most probably very big size, large televisions, maybe 55-inch, 65-inch and beyond. Then it has got enough space on the screen to see the full banner and all the tiles over around here. Thus, I come to an end of this episode, wherein today I have discussed with you the banner and the identity of this channel, Space for Youth Initiative with Apurva Kanjilal. So this banner speaks about the character, the personality of this channel, and you can expect what you can expect to see in this channel. So thank you once again, friends, for watching this episode of the Space for Youth initiative, that is banner talk, or a talk on the banner which is used on this channel. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.